up, YouTube? So got a call from the powder coaters, about ready to head over there. It's been over a month, and even though I'm in really no hurry, I don't need them yet. It's still a long month, and I hate waiting for things for this long. Now, I knew it was going to be that long, so it's not like it's a big deal or nothing. It was expected. Anyway, I got to figure out where I'm going, and yeah. So, definitely don't feel like I'm going to get murdered back here in the commercial district. I'm just saying. Oh my God. These turned out amazing. I'll show you in a few minutes. Let me get home. I'll show you guys. Amazing. They look great. Like, I'm glad I came here. I'm glad I waited. This is pro level. They turn out perfect. I'm excited. What is up, YouTube? Merry Christmas. Happy pre-New Year. It's Christmas Eve. And the best thing about Christmas Eve this year, powder coated frames. Check this thing out. Semi-gloss black. Very good color. It's always semi-gloss black. If you try to send your frame out and get it matched Yamaha blue, there's a very good chance that it will come back not quite Yamaha blue, and it could really ruin your holiday season. I got other parts to show you here in a few minutes, but the first thing I want to do is I want to take these sweet IMS Core Enduro foot pegs that IMS was gracious enough to send over. I've never used these, but I do love IMS products. I've been using their gas tanks forever, but I've never used these foot pegs. These things are sharp, giant, awesome. We'll take a look at them in a second. But thank you so much, Rachel Harden at IMS for hooking me up. I really do appreciate it. These are ridiculous. Anyway, we're going to put these on this frame so I could get it mounted to the scissor lift and slowly start putting the bike together. And once the bike's on the lift and we start attaching pieces, I'm going to feel a lot better about life. All right, let's check these out. Ooh, everybody loves an unboxing video, so let's do this. Let's do this real quick. Let's just slide that right under the frame here. Let's take a look at these things. Oh my God. These things are awesome. Thick. I don't know what they're made out of. I'm going to go with some type of steel here. Let's see. Oh, yep, they're magnetic. Beautiful, beautiful work. IMS cores. And again, thank you, Rachel at IMS, for sending these over. They are beefy. Let's take a look at these compared to a stock foot peg. Well, I can tell you by looking at them, obviously the IMS has a much bigger footprint, which is really nice. I've grown really accustomed to large foot pegs and the confidence they give you while standing on the bike and doing stuff. And nice, pretty, not super sharp edges. I don't feel like I'm going to die if I fall on it, which is nice because I don't want these things destroying my boots. They do make a sharp version like that are really serrated, but man, you'll be replacing boot soles, I think, quite a bit. But so that's the stocker. That's obviously the IMS. Look at the difference. Dang, dude. These are really, really sweet. These are probably about the same size as my Pro Moto Billet ones. But man, these things are way beefier. They really are. I feel like these are unbreakable. And even if you broke them, lifetime warranty. Reach out to IMS and they will replace them. So I'm going to get these attached to the frame real quick and get this frame on the scissor lift. And I'm going to show you the rest of the stuff I got powder coated. The other stuff turned out awesome too. So let's check it out. Man, these things are stupid beefy. I'm just temporarily throwing them in here real quick. I'm not putting the springs on or anything like that. I just want to get this thing mounted to the scissor lift and we will deal with this later. I need new cotter pins, you know, stuff like that. Okay. Fabulous. These things are amazing. Yep. Digging them. Check it out. Gonna scratch that within 5 seconds, but it turned out really good. We could kind of get an idea what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be kind of sort of what that looks like. I am still waiting on swing arm bearings, but yeah, heck yeah, dude. That is nice. Ooh, putting stuff slightly close together the way it's supposed to go just to get excited about this. Oh my God. So obviously I had these triples powder coated and it's just a textured black. Man, it looks good. Looks real good. And obviously forks are back from getting revalved. Yeah, yep. Did the textured black swing arm as well. Get that brake caliper holder whacker thing, whatever the hell that thing's called. Also texture black. Man, this thing just looks so good. Looks so good. Frame, semi-gloss. Also went ahead, I was gonna order a nice big, probably recluse cover just to get a little extra oil capacity for overheating. But I went ahead and powder coated this. And what I'll do, if, it's a big if, because I don't want to spend a bunch of money, but if I get a different clutch cover with a higher capacity, I'll probably just do a giveaway on this bad boy for any of you guys that's got a Yami. And the chain guide block thing, I also powder coated that. I don't know, I just threw a bunch of stuff in to get powder coated to see how it would turn out. I wasn't even sure if I was going to reuse this or if I was going to go with an aftermarket option or what have you, but we'll see. It's just going to get scratched to hell. Maybe it wasn't a good idea to powder coat this, but you know. Anyway, that's just a little mock-up. Something to get our mouths watering over. This thing's going to look sweet. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I know we didn't get really anything done, but I did get parts back from the powder coater, and I was pretty pumped about it. When that guy called, I could not wait to get stuff back, because with a frame and a suspension, we can now start putting things together and actually do something. When your frame's gone and your suspension's gone, I can't do anything, and it was awful, and I was losing focus. Now I have focus. Now my life has meaning. Engine parts are going to be here probably in the next couple weeks. We could slap that bad boy together. It's going to be sweet. I don't know if I'm going to do a wide ratio transmission yet. Oh my God, I still have stuff I don't know. But thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And definitely subscribe so you could follow along with what is arguably the best YZ250 Enduro build on the internet. If you disagree with me, leave a comment below. Tell me the channel so I can check it out, steal their ideas, and then tell you why you're wrong. For real though, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Saturnalia. Whatever it is you celebrate, may the last few days of this year be merry and awesome for you. Hang out with your friends, hang out with your family, enjoy yourself, because 2020 is coming. God only knows what's going to happen in 2020. Hopefully worldwide flooding. Who knows? Anyway, guys, Merry Christmas.